Hello and welcome to HouseLux Estate, the one-stop channel for all things real estate and finance. We're your reliable guide to navigating the complex world of property investments and financial planning. We're all about delivering insightful advice and practical solutions to your financial conundrums. Today, we're setting our sights on a topic that's close to the hearts of many: the top financial challenges faced by millennials and how to overcome them. Stay tuned as we unravel these complexities together. One of the biggest challenges millennials face is student loan debt. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a gargantuan burden that's weighing down an entire generation. The numbers are simply staggering, with the average millennial owing around $30,000 in student loans. And that's just the average. Many owe far more, with some student loan balances reaching into six figures. This unprecedented level of debt is having a profound impact on the financial lives of millennials. It's not just about the monthly payments, though those can be hefty. It's about the way this debt shapes and constrains the entire financial landscape for this generation. It's like trying to climb a mountain with a massive weight on your back. Every step is harder, every goal is further away. Student loan debt is delaying major milestones for millennials. The dream of homeownership is being pushed back as millennials grapple with their debt. Saving for retirement, starting a business, even starting a family, all these are being postponed because of the burden of student loans. The ripple effects of this debt are being felt across the entire economy. Now, you might think that this paints a bleak picture. And it's true, the student loan dilemma is a serious issue. But it's not an insurmountable one. It's a mountain, yes, but mountains can be climbed. They can be conquered. It requires effort, it requires strategy, and it requires persistence. But with these, even the most daunting of debts can be overcome. The key is to not let the size of the debt overwhelm you. It's easy to look at that big number and feel despair, but remember, every journey starts with a single step, and every debt, no matter how large, can be paid off $1 at a time. So, if you're a millennial staring at a mountain of student loan debt, don't lose hope. Yes, it's a challenge. Yes, it's frustrating. But remember, challenges can be met, and frustration can be turned into determination. With a strategic approach, this mountain can be moved. So, how do we tackle this student loan debt? A question that echoes in the minds of many, but don't worry, it's not as daunting as it might seem. Let's unpack some strategies that could bring you closer to financial freedom. Firstly, consider refinancing your student loan. Refinancing is essentially swapping out your old loan for a new one that has a lower interest rate. This could potentially save you thousands over the life of your loan. It's like trading in your old jalopy for a sleek new ride, only this ride saves you money. Next, have you heard of loan forgiveness programs? These programs, often offered by the government or employers, forgive part or all of your student loan debt if you meet certain requirements. And for instance, teachers or public service workers might be eligible for such programs. It's worth checking out, right? Lastly, let's talk about budgeting. Yes, that dreaded B word. But hey, budgeting can be your best friend when it comes to tackling student loan debt. It's all about understanding where your money is going and making sure there's a chunk going towards your loan repayment. Think of it as a roadmap guiding you to the destination of a debt-free life. Remember, these strategies are not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's important to evaluate your unique financial situation and determine what works best for you. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, so take that step today towards a financially secure future. Next up on our list is the challenge of homeownership. This is a dream that seems to be slipping further away for many millennials. The reasons behind this are multifaceted, and it's not just because they're spending too much on avocado toast. Firstly, let's talk about housing prices. They've been on a steady climb for decades, with the median home price in the United States doubling since the late 1990s. This upward trend has created a significant barrier for millennials looking to take their first step onto the property ladder. In addition to high housing prices, millennials are also grappling with a stagnation in wages. Despite being the most educated generation in history, many millennials are finding that their incomes are not keeping pace with the cost of living, let alone the cost of buying a home. This income disparity is another major factor contributing to the homeownership hurdle faced by this generation. Furthermore, the financial aftermath of the Great Recession has left a lasting impact on millennials. Many entered the job market during this economic downturn, leading to lower starting salaries and slower career progression. This financial setback, combined with the burden of student loans, has made it more difficult for millennials to save for a down payment. And let's not forget about the shift in lifestyle preferences. Many millennials are choosing to live in urban areas where the cost of home ownership is typically high. Others are prioritizing experiences over possessions, leading to a delay in traditional milestones like buying a home. While the homeownership hurdle may seem insurmountable, it's important to remember that there are always solutions. From exploring less traditional housing options to taking advantage of first-time homebuyer programs, there are ways for millennials to overcome these challenges. So, if you're a millennial feeling priced out of the housing market, know that you're not alone. But also know that it's not an impossible dream. There are paths to homeownership that don't involve winning the lottery or waiting for a windfall. However, there are ways around this hurdle. Stay tuned as we explore some of these strategies in the next segment. Overcoming the homeownership hurdle is not impossible. It might seem like a mountainous task, but with the right approach, it can be made achievable. Let's delve into some strategies that can help you conquer this challenge. First, let's talk about saving for a down payment. It's no secret that this initial investment can be a major roadblock. However, by setting aside a portion of your income each month, you may find that the mountain isn't as steep as it first seemed. It's all about creating a saving habit and sticking to it. Next, we come to the importance of improving your credit score. Your credit score is like your financial report card, and potential lenders are definitely checking your grades. So how can you boost your score? Pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid taking on too much new debt. These simple habits can make a significant difference in your credit score over time. Finally, consider first-time homebuyer programs. These programs, offered by both government and private lenders, can provide financial assistance, lower interest rates, and even tax credits to help you purchase your first home. So, while the path to homeownership may seem daunting, remember that it's not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about consistent effort and smart choices. With determination and the right strategy, homeownership is within reach. The final challenge we're discussing today is saving for retirement. This hurdle is one that many millennials face, and it's no walk in the park. Firstly, the lack of financial education has left a number of millennials in the dark about the importance of retirement savings. Many are unaware of how much they should be saving, or the best strategies to do so. It's like trying to navigate through a maze without a map. Secondly, millennials are often grappling with other financial commitments. From student loans to housing costs, these immediate obligations can feel more pressing, causing retirement savings to take a back seat. It's a juggling act that can leave one feeling overwhelmed and unsure of where to allot their hard-earned money. Adding to the mix is the fact that we're living in a world of instant gratification. It's easy to prioritize short-term wants over long-term needs. A new phone or a vacation may seem more appealing than putting money into a retirement account that won't be touched for decades. But here's the thing. The longer you wait to start saving for retirement, the harder it becomes. It's like trying to catch a train that's already left the station. You have to run faster and faster just to keep up. Despite these challenges, it's crucial to start saving for retirement as early as possible. Just like planting a tree, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Now. How can millennials kickstart their retirement savings, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in a few simple yet effective strategies. One of the most accessible routes is to take advantage of your employer-sponsored retirement plans. These plans often come with matching contributions, which can significantly amplify your savings over time. Another strategy is to start small. Don't be discouraged if you can't put away large amounts just yet. Even if you're only able to save a small portion of your income, it's still a step in the right direction. Remember, small drops make a mighty ocean. As your income grows, aim to increase your savings rate. Gradually ramping up your contributions can make a substantial difference in the long run without causing too much strain on your current lifestyle. Remember, the key to a comfortable retirement is starting early and staying consistent. It's not about how much you save, but rather how long you save. So start today and secure your tomorrow. And that wraps up our discussion on the top financial challenges faced by millennials. We've explored tackling student loans, the homeownership hurdle, and the retirement savings challenge. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.